All right, so midpoint of our line, what we need? We need to have the endpoints of the line this supplies the x1, y1 values and x2, y2 values. The formula is going to be x1 plus x2 all over 2, a comma, because the answer for this is actual point, and y1 plus y2 all over 2. Right? Let's look at an example. So if you have these 2 points, always label your points x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? I would always put my formula with point of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. And then I'll substitute my values. My x1 is 4, my x2 is 8, my y1 is 6, my y2 is 10. And then we just proceed to work it out. 12 over 2, 6, 10, 16 over 2. 2 into 12 will give me 6. 2 into 16 will give me 8. And that's how we find the midpoint of our line.